Good evening to every last one of you present here. Before going ahead the topic, I would like to extend a present welcome to every friends. Present over here, also I want to thank all for giving me this golden opportunity to share my thoughts. My speech is, the pen is mightier than the sword. On this beautiful note, the pen is mightier than the sword. Throughout the history, we have looked at various struggles, war fights, and here their success story. Have you ever thought about what was common apart from strength? It was the writing when commons were busy fighting the enemies. There was a small group who wrote and spread the word, making people awaiting the Indian freedom struggle. For instance, when famous freedom fighters were wanted to fighting the enemies, fighting the enemies warriors like Subramanya Bharti, starting writing a newspaper named Sweets Amiti Ran to inspire the Indians and encourage them to take fuel. In the freedom struggle, it is value of pain. That was just one example. History and even the person are proved that such example, the power of the sword results in destruction and loss of life. Whereas the power of the pen, correct awareness and motives the readers. The sword can conquer only through fear, but the pen you can conquer the hearts. The achievement by the sword is short-lived, non-willful, and illegal at many points, but winning by the pain is bringing hard, and so God cannot term in, in as illegal or non-willful in my way. In the end, it is right to say that the pen is much more important than the sword, and writing is just pretty less. Much thanks to all of you. Have a great evening. The pen, I want to say that in line, the pen is that what once a gift has come to represent all that I hope to see that. Thank you all.
आपका जो स्पीच था speech was so good.
Because I don't practice only the detail.
I have checked your speech in the previous class. Since you have not practiced, this part is clear that you are not learning. You have to be better at delivery because writing a speech is not hard. Even the nervousness that you feel coming up here will dissolve. But the thing that is you have to evolve is your delivery style of delivery. वो increase करनी है वो exceed करनी है समझे आपको थोड़ा अपने डिलीवरी स्टाइल अच्छा करना है जो भी नर्वसनेस है 2-3 बार रहेगी उसके बाद ठीक हो जाएगी उसके लिए आपको खुद से टेंशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है ना ही कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करने की जरूरत है ठीक है
Hello all, I am Aditya from Sonpur. Very first, I would like to thank you all for giving me an opportunity to deliver this speech that is about good manners. It is actually a set of good behavior towards others. These good manners are taught to us by our parents and family members first, and then by our school teacher, because good manner give shape to personality and behavior. In fact, good manner are characteristic of a gentleman. Everyone should adopt good manner in life in order to make a distinct identity in society. Good manner bring us respect and opportunity in society. They never differentiates people and show equal regard to everyone. Modesty, humble, and kindness and are the essential traits of a well-behaving person. Hence, a well-behaved person never feel proud or arrogant and always take care for the feeling of others. Thank you.
रिलैक्सिंग ऑफ सोल्जर होते हैं ना, ये वो इतने विजिबल होते हैं दैट आई फील लाइक आई एम गिविंग पनिशमेंट कॉलिंग अप।
हो जाता है मैम, फ्लो में निकल जाता है।
यहाँ पर आते के साथ मतलब जैसे ही आप सीट पे बैठे वहां से ऐसे करके जो एकदम रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पर हंटर मारा जा रहा था। वो जो नर्वसनेस है, वो स्टिफनेस जो है आपका, वो आपके बॉडी लैंग्वेज में ऑडियंस को दिखता भी है। ठीक है, तो क्या करना है आपको, तो आपको ब्रेन को कमांड करना है कि वो नर्वसनेस जो है उसके अलावा आपको सिर्फ ये सोचना है कि आपकी जो स्पीच है वो आप डिलीवर कर रहे हैं कि अच्छे से नहीं, आपकी ऑडियंस समझ पा रही है कि नहीं। कहाँ से आवाज आ रही है बच्चे? आगे आ जाइए आप लोग जो पीछे बैठे हैं, ये वाले भी पीछे जाएंगे। पीछे बैठ के हल्ला करना नहीं है, ठीक है, आराम से बैठे हैं एकदम, मतलब लग रहा है कि मैं आपको दिखेंगे नहीं, चले वहां पर। यस, नेक्स्ट किसी का भी
मैंने गलती हो गई, बस ये पहले दिया उसको लास्ट में।
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, आप खुद से पहले रीड करिए अच्छे से, उसके बाद फिर यहाँ पर आइए। ओके, ये जो करेक्शंस मैंने किए हैं वो मिस आउट कर देते हैं बच्चे। कई बार मैंने देखा है कि मैं करेक्ट करके देती हूँ और वो फ्लो में बोलते बोलते जो गलत चीज लिखी है वही बोल देते हैं। वो चीज नहीं करनी है, एक बार प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए, एटलीस्ट एक बार पढ़ लेंगे तो वो नहीं मिस्टेक होगी। ये जो बच्चे पीछे जा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे क्लास में एक तो बीच में आप आ रहे हैं, ऊपर से क्लास को डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं। कोई अंदर आता नहीं है कि आप लोग बातचीत करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। 1000 बार बोल चुका है, अगर इतनी बातें करने का शौक है, स्पीच लिखिए, यहाँ पर आइए, डिलीवर करिए। वहां पे बैठे बैठे सब बात करता है। बच्चे नाम क्या है आपका? आपने लॉगिन किया हुआ, क्लिक कर लीजिए, देन कम अप हियर एंड डिलीवर।
One day I was very sad. After that, I started listening to the song. I fell asleep listening to the song, and then I fell into a deep sleep. After some time, I suddenly woke up and I found myself old. I didn't understand anything. A woman was sitting beside me. I asked her where I am and what happened to me. She said, "What happened? You are in your own house." Then I asked her, Who are you? She said, I am your wife. Then I was totally confused. I tried to get up, but I couldn't get up. I asked her again, what happened to me? Then she said that your health has been bad for a long time, and the doctor said you don't have much days. Then we started talking to each other. We both got very emotional while talking. Then we promised each other as long as we are alive, we will live together. Then we both were very happy to talk each other. After some time, I was unable to breathe properly. Then I remember and understand that line. One moment happiness, then the next moment sorrow. Then darkness began follow to fall before my eyes. Then I suddenly woke up and realized that was a dream. Then I understand one thing that life is very short and it is very precious. So as long as we are alive, life is full of happiness. Thank you.
Copy this. Please copy. Started. आपका सेकंड है ना जो आपने स्टार्ट किया था लास्ट टाइम? यस प्लीज। You all waited so long for the part two. Yes, ma'am. Yes. One more thing I would like to point out. आपके स्पीच में यहाँ लिखा हुआ कुछ ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक नहीं होता है, वहाँ जाके बोल क्यों देते हो? यहाँ पे सब लिखा हुआ सही है, वहाँ जाके सब गलत बोल रहे हो। नहीं, just because you are nervous आप गलत बोल रहे हो। वही चीज तो मैं कह रही हूँ, you are not taking attention on your delivery style. ठीक है, आप पे अटेंशन दे ही नहीं रहे हैं उसको कि कैसा स्पीच आप दे रहे हैं। आपको बस यही है दिमाग में कि बस वहां जाके बोल देना।
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, my friends. Today, I will continue that story that I told that day. I hope you guys remember that. Let's start chapter 2. After like an eternity later, I opened my eyes. I was in completely different place. The sky was deep blue. The sun was too red. The grass where I was lying was green and fresh. Everything looked so magical and fairy. The girl that brought me here forwarded her hand and picked me up. She said, my name is Princess Elsa Grimry from the Grimry family. Welcome to our kingdom, Ilfosa. That was the kingdom name. After a little walk, we reached a beautiful city, which is the capital of Ilfosa. That city was as beautiful as a fairyland. I noticed some people doing their job. They all look almost the same as Prince Elsa. White, beautiful faces with the green eyes and a big long pointed ears. They call themselves elves, which is slightly different than the human. She take me to her palace. It was big and marvelous. I see some women all in black gather around me. They say, long live crimson blood owner. I ask, what is it? They say, it's a blood trade of human only born in 1000 years. I thought, wow, I am this important, I never knew. They say, Master, this is the unique, they say, Master, there is a unique plague spread all over this kingdom from the past decade. Over 20% of ills die by this plague. And now our king and queen, who is also a parent of Princess Elsa, get affected by this plague. I looked at the princess, her eyes were weepy. I asked, is there any cure for this disease? They say, yes, you are the cure. They describe as, there is a ritual which needs crimson blood and royal blood, which is mine and Princess Elsa. If we do that ritual, we can create a cure for this plague. So I understand that. That's why Princess Elsa was searching me for years. They asked if I am willingly to do. I say without a doubt, yes. I couldn't get any other chance to save so many people at a time. I was a loser in my previous life. People bullied me, I was not good at anything. I hated my life, but now I get a chance to be a hero. So of course I will say yes. I saw Elsa's face was glowing with her beautiful smile, and I love that. After that, all magician makes a circle, prepare some ingredient and place it in the middle. Then I enter Elsa. I enter the circle. We little cut our hands and spread blood all over the circle. It was painful, but soon a reaction happened, and they make a potion. That's the cure for the plague. They were so happy. They make lots of copies of the potion and gave it to queen and kings and all who were suffering. And they instantly recovered, all thanks to our potion. King thanks me and offered me a kingdom, and princess too. Princess was blushing too, so I accepted. I couldn't be happy more, so I stated my life was completely changed in one night. That's all the chapter ends. That's what I dictionary wrote.
Anyone who would like to take constructive feedback in इसको feedback देना स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी है but there's still no emotions. आप म्यूरिंग होके बोल रहे हो कि तुम्हें प्रिंसेस मिल गई as if you are getting a crown. वो एक्सप्रेशन बताना है you have achieved the. One more thing, there is a side effect that if your blood is the cure, what if they extract all your blood? Okay, next ये बच्चे see कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है, आपने अपने लिए लिखा होगा. ये पढ़ने वाली चीज नहीं है, आप अपने लिए लिखा होगा. Practice की. Yes. अभी भी मैं पूछ रही हूँ, is there any student जिनका मैंने speech check कर चुका है and they are present in class? आपने डिलीवर कर दिया, वो वाला स्पीच डिलीवर करो फिर चेक करा. लास्ट क्लास जो चेक किया था बच्चे को डिलीवर कर लो पहले, ये दो चेक कर दीजिए बाद. ओके कोई बात नहीं, आप डिलीवर कर सकते हो या फिर यही डिलीवर कर दो, तुम्हारे स्पीच में मिस्टेक नहीं करते. ऑनलाइन भेजिए, इसका ले लीजिए, किसी और का ले लीजिए.
Very good afternoon to all of you. I am Anshi Swastha and I'm going to share a very motivational topic. It is don't limit yourself. So let's talk about it. Don't limit yourself. Don't limit yourself and don't let others convince you that you are limited in what you can do. Believe in yourself and then live so as to reach your possibilities. You can do all the possible things. So when I say don't limit yourself, I am telling you that you can do and be anything your heart desires. However, life will always be life. So whenever you feel overwhelmed by life, remember to trust and divine timing of life, and let this inspiring words uplift you for the day. The only limits you have are the limits you believe. Don't limit yourself because of past realities. Where who you are right now is someone you have never been before. You have no real ideas of what wonders you are capable of facing the future. You begin to thrive when you let go of your self and allow your mind and aspirations to rise to greater heights. At last, I eliminate enough of your mind-made limiting beliefs, and eventually you find your true self, a self with zero limitations. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone.
I'm Shivam Verma.
I am Shivam Verma.
Today,
Today
I'm saying about
I am saying about
exam pressure.
an exam pressure.
We think
We think
if we pass
we,
the
if we
exam
pass,
competition, we get success.
we get success.
My friend, sorry to say,
Sorry to say,
but we are wrong.
but we are wrong.
I'll explain this
I'll explain
with a smile.
with a smile.
There are
200
seats
200 seats
for IAS,
for
Indian
Indian
Administrative Service.
Administrative Service.
UPSC conducted
UPSC conducted
and
and
approx
approx
10 lakh
10 lakh
candidates.
candidates.
10 lakh
10 lakh
approx.
approx.
Were
Were
participating in this.
participating in this.
And
And
the
the
result,
result,
just think,
there are only
10,000
10,000
people
people
who
who
cross,
cross.
sorry,
There are only 10
people
people
who pass the
who pass
prelims
the
exam.
prelims exam.
And only just
And
2,000
only
people who face the interview. And just
and just
200 people selected
200
for IAS. From where?
from where
10 lakhs. And
then
what happened
what
with
happened with
others?
others?
Then next year also
Then next
10
year
lakhs
also
ready for exam.
ready for exam.
So
So
a
a
little
little
story.
story.
There are
There are
10,000
10,000
people
people
across the
on
road
the road
daily.
daily.
Approx 10,000 people across the road daily. And suddenly I got
And
an
suddenly I
accident.
got
Now,
now
so that
so that
it's
is the simple funda of life.
If you
If you get success,
that is my
that
accident.
is by accident. Because if you achieve anything,
Doesn't matter if it's cheap or a small.
or a small,
If we got anything,
if we got anything,
it's an
that's
accident.
an accident.
But
But a great life,
which
which one will
decide?
decide
If
if you are learning,
you are
you
alive,
are alive,
who is
who is not learning,
it's just
it is just
increasing population.
population.
Doesn't matter
Doesn't
who is
matter
alive or not.
alive, what
happens
happens
if we
if
try
you try
something
something new,
either
either win
or
or other learn,
but never
never will fail.
And
And in middle class,
you all know that
that
win or learn,
win
not
or
to
learn,
fail.
to be failed.
One more thing.
One more
Sometimes
thing,
we got depressed
sometimes
from
we
our
got
failures,
depressed from our
or sometimes we
or
behave
sometimes
aggressive to that person who told you
person
a
told
bloody
you
word.
a bloody word.
Person told you a bloody
Person
word.
told you a bloody
You
word.
can't do
You
it.
can't do it.
But remember, my friend,
But remember, my friend,
once Lord Chanakya
once
said,
Lord Chanakya said,
you are aggressive,
if you are aggressive, then proud to be yourself, because cheaters have a sweet smile. In our country, doesn't matter how much talent you have. People judge with your numbers, your marks. If you are talented, more than talented me as your classmates, but you secure less than marks from him or her, then you are judged by them. You and others, many people have not any degree, don't be demoralized. Many people, like example, many others, Sachin Tendulkar, Bill Gates, and etc. Many people don't and not have any degree, and now he is more famous than that person who told you you can't do it. You will never get success. Yes, my friend, I am saying about Bill Gates. Once Bill graduated from his college for his cheap learning ideas and other things. I don't know why it's his personal, but I know that he was rusticated. And now he is the world top billionaire. He's the enlist. We have many examples like Sachin Tendulkar, Jack Ma. Jack Ma is just a little better. He's not a celebrity, but now he's the founder of Alibaba.com. And MBA Chaiwala.